Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Mathematics SSC 2. In today's lesson, we will discuss new syllabus, PTB Book Foundation, Mathematics SSC 2, Unit number 1. In Unit number 1, Quadratic Equation. SLO base according to FBISC requirement. Examples and exercise 1.1 question number 2 part 1 to 3 in first part. Now let's start the today lesson. First of all, solution of quadratic equation. When we will discuss about solution of quadratic equation, then method to find the quadratic equation. Now, what is the method of quadratic equation to solving and find the solution set by the two methods? First method is by factorization method and second method by the completing square. First of all, in question number 2, we will discuss the first method as a factorization method. So, factorization method is the example of 3x square minus 6x is equal to x plus 20. First of all, arrange in the form of quadratic equation, then we write the equation 3x square minus 7x minus 20 is equal to 0. Because minus x plus 20 move on other side, then equation change in this form 3x square minus 7x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we can factorize the term. We can multiply the first term with a last term. 3 multiplied by minus 20, answer will be minus 60. Now we can breaking the minus 7 into two parts. When multiply, answer will be minus 60 and adding answer will be minus 7. So 2 pair is 12 and 5. Minus 12 plus 5 answer will be 7 and minus 12 multiplied by 5 answer will be 60. So midterm breaking or factorization of this equation is 3x square minus 12x plus 5 minus 20 is equal to 0. Now taking the common in first two term and after that in second two term. First of all, in first two term 3x will be common. So 3x into x minus 4 and last two term 5 is common because 5 is multiple of 20. So plus into x minus 4. Here in factorization method, first and important part, here these two terms are same. So here we can see that x minus 4 and x minus 4 in both terms this will be common. So taking the common this value, so final answer is x minus 4 into 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we write that either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can solve that minus 4 move on other side, then x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, or 5 is move on other side, it will be minus 5, and 3 is divided on other side. Now we write that x is equal to minus 5 upon 3. So the solution set of this equation is 4 or minus 5 upon 3. Now we have an activity is the part of this method of factorization method. So we can solve by the method. Activity is given by x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. You can solve this activity and any other problem. Contact me or comments in the video. We can help you. Now we can solve exercise 1.1 question number 2 in first part. In first part, solve by factorization method. Now given equation is x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. First of all, 1 multiplied by minus 20, answer will be minus 20. We can find the two term of the midterm breaking of minus 1. When multiplying both terms, answer is minus 1, adding answer is minus 1 and multiplication answer is minus 20. So 5 multiplied by 4, answer is 20. But we can require the largest term 5 as a minus and smallest term 4 as a positive. We can write the factorization of this quantity is x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Because minus 5x plus 4x answer will be minus 1x. So taking the common in first two quantities x, and we write that x into x minus 5 plus, so we write the sign is plus. Here 4 and 20 is the multiple of 4, so taking common is 4, then remaining term x minus 5 4 the 20, so x minus 5. We can see that x minus 5 and x minus 5 is the same term, so taking common x minus 5, then we write that x minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. We can have and write also x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then x minus 5 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 5, and x plus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 4. Then the solution of given quadratic equation x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So the roots are x is equal to 5 or minus 4 are the root of given equation. So we have solution set of this equation is minus 4 over 5. Now we can solve the next part. So in question number 2, second part, given statement solved by the factorization method. X square 3y square minus y into y minus 5. First of all, y multiplying the both terms, then 3y square is equal to y square minus 5. Arranging this term, then we have 3y square minus y square plus 5 is equal to 0. So here we can write that 3y square minus y square plus 5y is equal to 0. Here because y is multiplied by 5, here 5y. So 5y minus 5y move on other side plus 5y. So now in the equation form 3y square minus y square plus 5y is equal to 0. First of all 3y square minus y square. So 3y square minus 1y square answer is 2y square. So 2y square plus 5y is equal to 0. Now taking common y on both terms. So we have, this implies that y into 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we write that y is equal to 0 or 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. In first part y is equal to 0 or 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. 5 is moved on other side minus 5 and 2 is divided. So the roots of equation y is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So the solution of given equation, then we have x is equal to y is equal to 0 or minus 5 upon 2 or the root of given equation. So the solution set of this required equation 0 or minus 5 upon 2. Now today last part, question number 2, part 3. In part 3, solve by factorization method. In factorization method, given statement is that 4 minus 32x is equal to 4 minus 32x is equal to 17x square. First of all, arrange this value. We have 17x square plus 32x minus 4 is equal to 0. Arranging this term. Now we can factorize 17 multiplied by 4 is minus 64. Now we can midterm breaking of 32 into 2 parts. Multiply answer is 32 and multiply answer is minus 64 and positive addition answer is 32. So take the 2 factor is 34 multiplied by 2. Now we write this term, then we get the answer 17x square plus 34x minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 34 minus 2 answer is minus 64 plus 34x minus 2x answer will be 32x. So taking common in first two term, then 17x. 17x into x plus 2. Similarly, negative sign. So we put the negative sign here 2 and 4 is the multiple of 2. So we are taking the common 2. Here minus 2 is common, then x minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. Here 17x into x plus 2 minus 2 into x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2 in common in both terms. Then we have x plus 2 into 17x minus 2. Now we can write that either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 17x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 is moved on other side, then x is equal to minus 2. Similarly, x is equal to 2 upon 17. So answer is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 2 upon 17. So x is equal to minus 2 or 2 upon 17 or the root of given equation. So the solution set of this equation is minus 2 or 2 upon 17. For more questions and more videos, subscribe our channel. Best of luck.